Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets. First we are mixing yellow color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using yellow color and coloring the alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Subscribe to our channel. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we coloring the alphabet of I. I for ice. J for jackfruit, and the next one is K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is O. P for penguin, and the next one is Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. U for umbrella. Now we draw and coloring the alphabet of V. The next one is W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.